Hello again. My name is Keith Nickoloff, President of Pharos Systems. We've been blessed over the years to help serve and solve the largest printing problems large organizations have, wherever they might be. It might be in the office fleet of devices, their internal production centers, or with print that is sourced externally through third-party print service providers. By larger, I mean we've served corporate organizations and health systems with 25,000 to over 425,000 employees. And in the higher ed side with colleges, universities with 10 to well north of 100,000 students. I personally look forward and enjoy leading these engagements because every time we learn. It adds to our library of benchmarks, our price points, our best practices that we share with subsequent engagements, and it allows things to go faster, more efficient, and are really more effective. We get engaged by these large organizations for one of two reasons generally. One, they want to take a deep dive and make a material difference, whether it's in cost structure, whether it's security, whether it's infrastructure, whatever it might be. The second one is also pretty popular, which is an organization's preparing to go to RFP and have made the decision to seek independent, objective, vendor-neutral help along the way. So today's video is basically sharing how we do what we do. Every engagement always starts with a baseline, basically what you have, what you spend. While our software is out collecting in the office information about your devices, whether they're network attached or locally attached, we interrogate users and print jobs. And while that's going on, we're collecting facts and data around invoices and contracts. Our preference is to use actuals and tend to stay away from averages or estimates. While all that's going on, we begin building an enterprise, a holistic enterprise print strategy that while this example might be the office, we always consider the other two print environments holistically. Now, the strategy is the why we're doing and what we're doing and why we're doing it. Basically, what are we trying to accomplish? What problems we're trying to solve? What does a healthy outcome look like? Now, the baseline and the strategy help frame for us what's possible. The next step is more granular. It is the print policy. Now, these are the thou shalts and thou shalt nots. We believe this is an important foundational piece because it begins to share more broadly what the expectations of leadership are. And we hold firm to the fact that end users will do the right thing when they know what that right thing that leadership expects. From this print policy, even more granular, now down into the design document. This is a document that says this device is going here, that one is going there. And two key learnings I want to share today is that utilization of assets is the most important determiner of cost performance. So no more like for likes. Second thing is we all know that volume is in decline, and we generally get asked to accelerate that decline. So if our goal, our ambition is to reduce 40% print volume, then we should source to where volume is going to be, not where it is today. So we avoid the issue of overcapacity, underutilization, and extraordinarily high cost. Now that we have this collection of baseline, strategy, print policy, and design documents, it's time to take to senior leadership for their approval, investment, action, and commitment of resources. However, three more things remain. Communications to evangelize and brand this initiative, to hit the hearts and minds of the end users and make it personal. Now, if you spent any time around Pharos, you know that we think these print initiatives are more about managing change than managing print. So we go back to senior leadership to ask them to model desired behavior, help identify change champions, and help them support the overall initiative. Lastly, we bring our secret sauce dashboards and analytics to bring rich details and data and make sure that everything is in line, that we report to governance committee on a regular basis. So, there you have it. Now going forward, if you have a big print problem, let me know. We'll try to share these little videos every month and give you our best perspective. Thank you.